2021 Dodge Charger 392 Daytona Edition 6.4 liter HEMI. This time say it, guys. HEMI. HEMI, guys. There you go. Thank you, Tim. It's got factory converters right there and right there. Factory X pipe. We left on the factory resonators and the factory active exhaust. And we deleted the rear mufflers right there and right there with beautiful 5-inch black exhaust tips. Goes really well with the black accents he's got throughout the car. Beautiful looking car. Love these Chargers. Guys, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Only about 20% of our viewers are subscribed to the channel. Please, guys, help us out and support us and show your support by subscribing. We'd always appreciate it. Oh yeah. Sound decibels? Go and back it out. Love the orange color. Looks really good. Oh yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Chargers, yep.